Animatic.
One chop.
I pray.
Yeah, not bad, bro.
Yeah, that.
Oh, you know.
Shows.
Travis Scott.
Check it out.
Nation War, once more Adrian back in the building with another episode. Yo, dance really turn up right now. It'll get more and more turn up. You see me I say? So Vybz Kartel replied to Alkaline disrespect after Alkaline act like he didn't know that Vybz Kartel been released from jail over 6 months now. So Vybz Kartel take to his Instagram to address Alkaline. And before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And we're going there on the way to Europe. We're doing Germany. We're doing Amsterdam. We're doing France. Then we're doing wireless in London. One world boss. Remember them now get my show. Once every 4 months them the show. And if them did not charge my price, but they're dead for hungry. But it's under my nose. Cloud.
Now nation, we can see we have Vybz Kartel